Hi friends, in previous video we saw how to find LCM and HCF. In this video, let us see some short tricks to find LCM and HCF. If you see any set of numbers like this, you can directly write the LCM. For example, this one, you can directly write 32 is the LCM. And for the second set, 3, 4 and 16, you can directly write 48 is the LCM. So what are the tricks to find this LCM? Trick number 1. Let us take an example 5, 15 and 30. First we need to see what is the bigger number in this series. The bigger number is 30. Now we need to see if it is divisible by all the other numbers. So take 30, see it is divisible by 5, so remove 5, and then 30 is divisible by 15, remove 15. Now the LCM is 30. That is the trick number 1. Let us see another example. Say 3, 6, 12, 24. Here the bigger number is 24. Let us see, is 24 divisible by 3? Yes. And 24 divisible by 6? Yes. By 12? Yes. So 24 is the LCM here. That is the first trick. Now trick number 2. Let us consider 4, 8, 12. In this, 12 is the bigger number. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes. Can it be divided by 8? No. Now we should multiply this 12 by 2, starting from 2. So 12 by 2 is 24. Is 24 divisible by 8? Yes. Now LCM is 24. One more example. 10, say 16, 20. The bigger number is 20. Then now 10, it is divisible, and 16, no. Let us multiply 20 by 2, that gives 40. 40 is not divisible by 16. Again multiply by 3, that is 60. No. And multiply by 4, which gives 80. Is 80 divisible by 16? Yes. So 80 is the LCM. Next, trick number 3. If it is a prime number, say for example 5, 7, 21. The bigger number is 21, and it's divisible by 7, and it is not divisible by 5, and 5 is a prime number. Here we can follow the same trick as we did in trick 2, that is multiplying and finding out. Otherwise, easy method is, since 5 is a prime number, you can directly multiply 5 by 21, which will give the LCM. That is 5 by 21, which is 5105. That is the LCM of 5, 7 and 21. That is trick 3. For any in any set, if we have a prime number, you can directly multiply to arrive with the LCM. That's all with LCM. Now we will go into tricks for HCF. Trick number 1. Let's take an example 4 and 8. We have to find the difference. 8 minus 4 is 4. Are these numbers divisible by 4? 4 is divisible by 4. Yes. And 8 is divisible by 4. Yes. So the HCF is 4. Then trick number 2. Another example 14, say 20. What is the difference? 6. Is 14 divisible by 6? No. So in this series, if any number is not divisible by this difference, we have to go to trick 2. So we have to take the factors of 6, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6, and starting from the highest number we have to check. We already saw for 6 it is not divisible. Now is 14 divisible by 3? No, let us leave that. And is 14 divisible by 2? Yes. And is 14 divisible by 20 divisible by 2? Yes. So 2 is the HCF. Why to come from the last or the highest number is because this is highest common factor. We have to check from the highest number. Trick number 3, if there are more than 2 numbers, for example 4, 16, 22, we need to find the difference for each pair. That is 4 and 16 is 12 and 16 and 22 is 6. So what is the lowest difference? That is 6. We need to consider that. We need to check with that. Is 4 divisible by 6? No. So we will go into the factors as we saw in the previous step. 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. And is 4 divisible by 3? No. Is 4 divisible by 2? Yes. 16? Yes. 22? Yes. So the HCF is 2. Some more examples. Let's take 5, 10, 30, 55. Let's find the differences. 5, 20, 25. So the lowest difference is 5. Is 5 divisible by 5? Yes. 10? Yes. 30? Yes. 55? Yes. So the HCF is 5. One more example. 5, 13, 21, 27. Let's find the difference. 8, 6, and the lowest number is 6. 5 is not divisible by 6. So as we saw, if any number is not divisible, then we need to see the factors. So factors of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6, 3. So 5 is not divisible by 3 and by 2, none of these, and 5 and all other numbers are divisible by 1. So in this case the HCF is 1. Links for detailed explanation of HCF and LCM are given in the description. If you have any questions on the tricks for HCF and LCM, please do comment. Thank you for watching this video.